Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to build a gigantic lens with water. And with a simple animation, I'm going to explain how it works and how you can build it. So please be a part of our channel by clicking on that subscribe button so that you won't miss out if I upload a new video. So Mr. Dan Rojas from Green Power Science channel actually built one of these, and they even went far by frying some eggs and also melting a piece of solder with the lens. So this project was built using a clear and square plastic bag that was attached to a wood frame using nails or some glue. And so they attached some leg stands to the wood frame so that they can raise it a little bit higher to get a good focus of sunlight coming in. So now let's see the side view of this project to understand how it really works. So we have the plastic attached to the wood frames, and then we have the stands. So now when water is added to the plastic bag, it expands and it looks more like an eye shape, or it is shaped more like a lens. So you don't want to add too much water in order not to damage the bag. And when this is left under the sun, it immediately bends the light and focuses that light into one spot. And with the large surface area of the lens, it is able to melt or cook or even heat up a boiler to run a steam engine. So guys, a few people have tried out this project and it works really fine. Even I wanted to give it a try, but insufficient materials, I could not shoot a video, so I just had to go with animation. So guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for other videos. Click on that subscribe button to support the channel. Thank you so much. Stay creative and stay safe. Goodbye.